Enough! Who you? Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to do an Egyptian makeup looks. Wow! If you are new in my channel, click subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in. Let's start our Egyptian looks makeup for today with our makeup. Ta-da! Let's start with our primer. Primer first, everyone. We'll cover our scars, our pimple, guys. I really love the primer of this one. Wait for just 2 minutes. Okay, guys, we're done. 2 minutes. Next, we're going to apply our liquid foundation. I used to wear a matte liquid foundation, guys. Okay, did I put a lot? It's very rare I am using this foundation. I'm not always putting foundation. Occasionally. I am not professional for the makeup, but let's do this, everyone. So I'm using the full coverage because I am having a lot of open pores. So I really need to use a full coverage when I am putting makeup. Okay. Next, guys, is our contour. Here is Revolution also. Mega Bronze. Looks warm. So we will look thin.
What?
Going to put one here, and there. Okay. Trust the process. For our eyebrow, I'm using this, guys. Nichido. Dark brown. It's like this. Next, guys, we're going to use our eyeshadow. So we need something little bit looks more stronger. I'm gonna go with this brown first. It kind of looks nothing. Okay. Next, guys, is this one. Okay, guys, it's kind of little bit scary now. Yo. Then we're going to have this one, but I'm going to put it in my eyelid down. Next is our highlighter. It's Ofra highlighter. So I'm just going to use this as well. Can also put our highlighter here.
Oh my god!
Of course, our eyelash curler. Next is our mascara, guys. The trick, guys, you need to put a lot of mascara. Especially Asian don't have lashes much.
No!
We have lashes, but it's not very visible. And we need to put mascara as well down. Look at the difference. Wow! Next is liquid. Let's do it. Okay, guys. Struggle is real. Look at that. Oh my God. Next is our loose powder. It's also full coverage. So I am not usually using this. I like to use with this. Ta-da! It's not big different. So look how I did my liquid, guys, because we have this folded eyelids, so it will emphasize like it's higher. Next is our lipstick. Which lipstick? I don't like red. Let's do with this one. Let's start with our lip liner first. We need to make our lips bigger.
Enough!
We will just line a little bit outside like that. This lip liner, guys, help to make your lips looks bigger. You just need to draw some line outside like that, guys. Oh my God. Next, guys, we have our Revolution lipstick. Revolution as well. I like Revolution brand. I like more matte. They are the same color. Look at our lips, guys. It's big. It's big. Do I look like Arab now? Oh my God. Okay, guys. Let's do our hair. Okay, let's blow our hair, guys. I'm done with the blower. Curly or straight? Mini, 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 mo. Curly. I'm going to separate, guys, my bangs. I'm done with curling. Enough! So we're going to iron, guys, the front. We're going to iron our bangs. I'm kind of sweating. So here, they usually make their bangs up. Kind of like this, guys. Brush it upward. Little bit curved. So it will be like curly as well. Right? Look at the wave. One more here. Ta-da! Like this. So it's kind of little bit fly away. For the last step, our loose powder. With our brush. Because I'm kind of oily face. So I don't want some like haggard looks. Achieve everyone! Arab looks for today. I looks like different person. Oh my God. See how makeups really work. Oof. Oh. It looks like Egyptian now. Okay, guys. It's a really big magic. The makeup for today. This looks Egyptian. Makeup looks Arab. Whatever it is. Oh my God. Who are you? Who are you? That's it for today's video, everyone. If you are new in my channel, click subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.